We're gonna replace the number plate holder for the Honda Transalp 750. The guys from MG Bike Tech sent me this plate number holder for the Honda Transalp 750. I think it's among the best ones. There are plenty of holders out there, but this one I searched and I think this is among the best ones. We're gonna install it on the bike, see how it looks. I look forward. Let's check out the package content one more time. We have the reflector and the bracket, license plate mount, license plate light. We have two for both signals, M8 hardware set, bike adapter, two bike adapters, left indicator bracket, right indicator bracket, M6 hardware set, and the base plate. Let's review the installation tips. First, we need to unlock the seat and remove it. Disconnect all three connectors shown. Remove these 4 bolts in order to remove the original license plate assembly. Remove these 2 bolts. Remove the 2 bolts on the underside of the license plate assembly. Remove the bolt of the indicator. Pull the metal bracket out of the rubber and remove the indicator from the license plate holder. Assemble the indicator rubber, the indicator and the metal bracket into the bracket. Use the supplied O-ring to hold the indicator in place. Reattach the metal bracket to the indicator using the original bolt. Mount the indicators on the tail teddy using the supplied hardware. Mount the base plate and adapters. Slightly tighten the rear 2 bolts only and mount the license plate holder. And the 2 final steps: guide the 3 cables through the cutout and now tighten all 4 bolts. Assemble the included reflector into the MG Bike Tech tail teddy. Here we have the 2 connectors, the brown and the green. The brown means license plate light, the plus. Green, it's the ground minus. From the light we have red and black. The red is the number plate light plus. The black is the ground minus. Then we have the blue plug, right indicator, orange plug, left indicator. To connect the license plate light, use the enclosed crimp connectors. Now you have to position and tighten the license plate support bolt A so that it fits symmetric to the motorcycle, and the angle should match the legal requirements of 30 degrees. Before riding, check the distance to the tire, swing arm and possibly pannier systems. They are not allowed to touch with the license plate support under full compression or extra load. This is the plastic number holder. Usually they are not straight. It will be my pleasure to get rid of it. We're gonna keep the original signals, that's for sure. And looking forward to install the new one. The new kit is providing also the number plate light. It's in the package included. We need to mount also this plate underneath. Don't forget about this plate. You can mount it even after you mount everything. So after you mount everything, you still have space. You still have space to mount this, but please keep in mind to put it before you assemble everything. It fits perfectly. Also the exhaust bracket, the exhaust holder fits perfectly here. Everything went smooth, very smooth so far with this number plate holder from MG Bike Tech, an Austrian company. They were willing to send me this product. Very, very good quality, very easy to install. Everything fitted perfectly so far. Regarding the angle, just to let you know, we kept the original angle. Most of you or some of you would like to cheat on this one, maybe use another angle in order to avoid some fines. But we're gonna keep the original angle. Everything it's parallel with the with this rear stop light, so we're using the same angle. We still have these connections. The company provided also the pins for this connection in order to install everything properly. We took out, as you can see, we took out the connection, the wiring. We took it out. We took out the OEM plate number. Everything went straightforward. What we need to find is a position for GG rear camera. We need to think about it to see where we can place it. We can install everything and keeping the rear rack, no matter what rack you have, it's easy to have access without taking off this rack. We've placed the original rubber which holds the signal lights on the provided mount from MG Bike Tech. Beautiful, looks absolutely beautiful. We have two bolts which are holding the signal lights. They should be mounted from underneath. Attention to details. We have an O-ring, a rubber O-ring, which will eliminate the free play of the signal lights while you're gonna mount it in the initial bracket. This is very useful. I'm gonna explain you what I'm talking about. We have the O-ring placed on the right side. Check it out, with no free play. We need to check the signals before we close the operation, so to speak. The signal is connected. We've checked it and it works perfectly. We've used the OEM connection, the pin connection, the OEM plugs. And now we're connecting the light, the number plate light. There are two wires. We're gonna isolating them and then test it. Oho, frumos! Frumos, frumos! Arată bine, bine, da. Chiar
este singurul bracket aftermarket care îmi place.
Foarte frumos. Arată bine. Și nici nu-l orbește pe cel din spate cu lumina de număr, știi?
Și vezi că e puternic, e bate în jos, nu e...
Da. More space between the exhaust and the turn signals, which is pretty amazing. I'm very, very happy about the result, really, honestly. I think this is one of the best accessories for this bike and one of the best plate holders, number plate holders for the Honda Transalp 750. Honestly, this is pretty light. I mean, it's so light. This is so light, you cannot believe it. It's very strong, very resistant. Everything fits perfectly. The turn signals, even the cables are easy to fit inside. And we have a very high quality plate light. One of the last accessories we've mounted is this cat eye, reflective cat eye, which we will put on the bottom. look, everything fitted perfectly, including the Chiji camera, rear camera. We found a pretty good solution to mount the rear camera from Chiji. Pretty good solution just on the left side. It was pretty a detailed job, to be honest. A lot of attention to details. Everything fitted perfectly. I mean, I'm so excited about the result. The number looks pretty amazing. Also, it fitted with my HP course exhaust. I was a little bit afraid about the signal lights, especially the right signal light from the exhaust side. Everything fitted perfectly. The plate number bracket, it's homologated for Europe. It's ready to use. Also, the plate number light, it's homologated. You can use it with no problem. It's certified for European Union. Also, the angle which we place the number, everything, it's like the original. The angle, it's kept like your original. Everything fits perfectly, and I'm pretty satisfied about the result. We also find a solution, let me find a solution for Chiji camera, the rear camera. We mounted on the left side of the number. Pretty good solution found, and everything looks very slim and very, let's say, clean, slim, and very light.